find out stuff about yourself you don't like. Another thing that kind of blew me apart, set me asunder, is I found out about me that I have no problem tripping children at all. As a matter of fact, it's funny to me, I like it. It makes me feel better when I'm down because they don't address it at all. They fall, get up, look at you, and run off. They don't ask you why you did it, what they can do to stop you from doing it again. They're horrible conflict resolutionists. I was actually in a Target when I first discovered my love for tripping children. I'm in a long, stretchy brief aisle. Out of the corner of my ear, I hear a mother and a son arguing. My first thought was, hey, get that out of Target, that's Walmart activity. If you don't yell at your mom, you do that in Walmart like everybody else. He got real mad at her. He was like, oh my God, Mom, what's wrong with you? Then he ran off. Luckily, he ran toward me. That's when my legs started tingling a little bit. I heard a voice inside say, it's time. I stuck my leg out. I've been in love ever since. If you have been tripping children for as long as I have, you know there are 3 types of kid falls. One is when you get them real good. They fall immediately and slide a little bit. 2 is when you don't get them real good. They take 6 stumble steps, then fall. It's my personal favorite. 3 is when you get a little bit overzealous. You stick your leg out too early, they see it, and run off. Then you have to decide how long you're gonna chase that kid. Because they will snitch on you. 27 yards is my record. I'm an athlete, no kid left behind.